You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, you can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you, my family. You know what I mean? Because guess what now? Without you, me I tell you, rough. You know what I mean? So, yeah, big up on yourself and thanks for the support from the day one people to the people who, understand what I go on and say, me have to do certain things to keep the channel active. Me respect you, thank you for still a share, a like, a watch them. You know what I mean? Make them run and so forth. Yeah. So we just want drop this one episode 1 and episode 2 together, which is Praying Sister. You know what I mean? All of the actors them go on good. Bulby go on good. Marika go on good. You know what I mean? Large, I don't call my name and I will forget. Isis, you know what I mean? Nick, you know what I mean? Pinky, just my team. I don't know my team already. You know what I mean? I have to give thanks to I think Richard Brown when jumping night. Giovanni, yeah man. So big up on yourself and thanks for this wonderful production. I've, me love what I go on, me happy. After me finish shoot, you know what I mean? So yeah, it was a great production, you know what I mean? So thank you again for the support. Me I stop talking, I'm feeling me I chat too much. And this is episode 1 and 2 put together so you can see it and just enjoy it straight through instead of your search for episode 4. You know what I mean? Yeah. So bless upon yourself and thanks again for the support. Yeah, my family, my family. Bless upon yourself. Alright? Cool.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
So that's why you're not come to church today.
What you talk about?
You know me about me.
Why you come ask me if why me not come to church? Remember say, me a hustler, And right now, and I like me say me no forward from the church, but I have things to deal with more while and church not help me, and not help you, but not say you know, if you go to church, if you continue to go to church, but yeah, alright. When I'm ready to go to church, probably all first and New Year's or one of the holiday, but boy, on a holiday now, probably this holiday we are forward, the first holiday we are forward, I don't think me are going to make it
Well,
either.
listen.
Wow.
Never hear a saying, say, they can carry a donkey to the river, but I can't force a donkey to drink
Yeah,
water.
man, what I know, you know, go carry this a donkey, I go to church too, you know. I tell you the truth.
No, saying this, we saying that. On speed up life too. Like, on make life seems fast when things take time. But it better you have God in you than out here in the world I do this. This is stupidness. This is foolishness.
Me have God in my heart already. One more God more. No want no more God. Right now, me fully sanctified right now. Me no want nothing more.
But baby, you're supposed to pay your tithes and offering. That's important,
Tithes
God.
and only time you know about every tithe shoes lace and my offering now, you know, pastor boy my money to go spend. You see me have better use to do with my money than go give them. So how was it there at church? How was it there at church?
Well, today
That if you
nice.
tell me about, you tell me about
wonderful.
offering and God. Tell me how was it there, man. Me never ask you how we and the pastor them and me related to it now. How was it there? Say good evening. The first thing you come from church, you even say good evening or nothing. You just start attack me. How was so? Away pastor put in your brain. Every time you go to church, you come back, attack me. What happened?
Me not attack you, but me just want the best for you, brother. You understand? Me work hard day and night to look after you through a week. So you see now, when I time for worship God, me want it to go as a brother and sister.
Yeah, man.
Make God see, make God sending him blessing for a week.
Alright, take my blessing from God to and carry come give me. You know, if you come here church, you get blessing. Carry come and here come give me.
You see, oh, your tongue.
I lecture
your
me right now, you know. I lecture you, come and lecture me, you know.
Your tongue sin, the Bible says you sin when you know not.
But me know no. You know not, me know no. Cause man, me not have to go to church if you know about the gospel, you know, the Bible or whatever you want to call it, you know. You can't talk about you take care of. You take care of me. Remember say, you know, if me no hustle, you know, you don't have money right now, you know, and you're going to talk about one, but you qualify for work, man. Remember say, you know, you get picked out of school from early, you know.
Baby, I mean, you talk to sir? Like, really and truly, me, you talk to sir, baby? You know what happened? You don't even know what happened.
So you go, you know.
At least you go to school, you get a good education.
You get expel or something. You one expel me know about, you know, if you spell expel now or something there, still the same expel me I talk about you gonna get. There's no more expel for spell. If spell expel.
Come here.
Then go on in, it makes sense to go on in go cook when me can in a place.
So me your maid?
No, me never say I'm a maid, but what I remember saying, you know. From me I provide, you know, only thing you have to do is just look after it, you know. That's all, nothing more. Me not asking nothing more. Me not ask if you wash my clothes, me not ask if you do nothing, just look after me, you know, nothing more. And make sure you say no cuss over it, you know, cause you see if you cuss over it, more no worry one thing either, you know, cause they say, when you cuss over food, you know, go taste good again, probably all salty in the kill me or pepper it, me no know. Me know. Just go on, no man, me a meds, me a try meds.
Me leave from church with a very good spirit this evening. You know where Pastor preach about? Family.
Pastor.
Love one another.
So,
hey, me give a chance to talk.
Talk.
Let me talk.
Talk.
Me come home, me just encourage you as a sister. And you take it to a different level where you disrespect me. And you say all type of things. You think me would really come from church and come home from poison you?
So me ask you one question. Me did tell you say me I go poison you?
Yes. No, you never say you poison me. You say me I go poison you.
Alright, you did hear me say me you go poison me?
Yes, say salt and then poison me or do something to it. That's what you said, Baldy.
You say salty or pepper it to kill me.
Yeah, and poison was in the middle of that.
Alright, anything you want hear, you know. But probably we all poison me too, me no know. I don't know. Probably we all poison me.
I'm not in it with you this evening. I'm going to go in, go do what you tell me to do.
Yeah, go
as
on,
a
man.
sister, and as the one who loves you.
Yeah, man, but no cuss over me, no cuss over me.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay then. You can do whatever you want.
Heart.
You can do whatever you want to do. But pastor, you go a pastor business, you want to go to church, go listen to and come back, you come lecture me and scold me. Go on round. Out of order. Judge.
Let me talk to them, right? No, I'm a give space. Let me give it time. You have to cool down.
Yeah,
You have to cool down. Father God,
yes,
you are
Lord.
on time, God. You may not come when I want to, you may not come when somebody else wants to, but you must see your work in a full favor, God. There is none like you, Father God. God, me just want to cover my brother under your blood, Jesus. God, I'm protecting Father God because you don't know what I do, God. You don't know. In just I go, God, just cover me, Jesus. Hallelujah. Jesus. Hallelujah. Guide him, God. Protect him, Father God. God, no make him go out there go do no
Flows
wrongs,
from
Jesus. Oh God.
Calvary.
Cover him
Oh, it's
under
the
your blood, your blood, your blood, your blood, Jesus.
blood. It's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, there is power in the blood. There is power in the blood. The
Oh
blood that
God.
flows
Oh,
from Calvary. Some of my friends, they don't believe in Jesus, but I know him to be my closest friend. Yeah.
I know some
Even
never
though
today
I
doing
can't
something, you know.
see him, I feel his
God,
presence
when am I
with
time?
me. I know
I
his
just
blood
want
can
a better
wash
job.
away my sin.
I'm just tired of the home. I do all of them or something. You know.
It's
And
the
I know money every
blood
time I have to depend on my brother.
that
I'm
flows
tired of it.
from Calvary.
I come into
Oh, it's
you.
the blood.
Hello?
Oh,
Hi.
welcome. Actually, are you saying live?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like I want mash it me I try to see me can borrow because me want to think the sort out of yard. But as me say me never know say yes you live man. That Jesus me see you walk past every day and so forth and you know me always proud of you. You know, see you.
Well, no, my shit not doing.
But you know if you go and say like, you know, me come to disrespect you. I compliment and compliment you and thing. And me tell you this, you know, me always admire the fact you go to church and you
Thank you
know,
very
I
much.
miss
And you come and you say you want a machete. I'm tell you, say no, machete is not here. So you can leave the conversation right there and please go. Come here about a lot of things to do.
listen. Alright. Me understand say you sound away and feel away so me you know talk certain things. Cause maybe not used to them kind of compliment the way a man just see you naturally. And it's a very nice compliment cause you know you don't tell you say you know things we do and we see we do. You there so with your brother and thing. You know what one come see what one. It's not that me in your business and inquisitive certain way, but long and short, I respect you. I'm like you is hard to find you. You understand me I say? And so forth. I mean I have to give a compliment. It's just a compliment.
Listen, a woman like me
Mm.
don't hard to find. You just don't want a woman like me because the type of living where you do not go match my type of living.
What you talk about?
What
Make it
me
so
what me I talk about? Me I tell you the truth. See, only can angle the truth.
no the truth is always the truth, but it's not my truth. You make it sound like a my truth that me I tell you say me rate your style and everything. Not because I wear this and might have a chain and me this and me that. Me just like fashion, that's all.
Okay.
You understand? And you know, alright, me go leave, come and like insult, I'm gonna take me know when that time to go. You understand?
I think we
Big
did
up
tell her that
yourself.
already.
Yeah, you know, long and short, but you know,
What you do?
me I say, you know, a boy, when I can, you know, call him and thing, or give me your number so I can call him to ask him to
You
get the
want
stuff.
Ufa number?
Your phone number. Call him to get the machine. Come on, start on this.
I don't have a phone.
You never what?
I don't have a phone.
When your birthday? Alright, me go leave. Big up yourself. See?
Have a wonderful day.
My name is Franco. Your name is?
Franco, where you want, Franco?
Alright, yeah. Me go leave. Big
Have
up
a
yourself. See?
wonderful day, okay? What do you think you idiot? As a matter of fact, me not bother go down this and go wash it down, cause me not like people, me I go through so. Can't. I don't know if you carry them a bucket just sometimes. Tired.
I go on.
Oh my God.
I don't cook yet.
Mm. Huh?
You don't cook yet.
Well, being a sister, I river me I come from, you know, me go wash out the clothes them with the inner house. Me not get fi cook. Me go look go.
I joke
Wait,
ya, mate.
no, wait, no, boy,
No, I joke ya, mate. No.
No, I'm serious.
I'm just a come after a reward. Hungry. So, you know, say me if hustling the go on right to them, mother even come to you and tell us more and nothing true. Cause imagine from you come from church, they tell us say yo, food in them, you hungry and something. And it pass even church hours long time. I attempt to wash, you go wash. So you no consider me no somebody too, me no human too. Me always a think about you, but you not think about me. Me no understand.
What you mean? Me no understand. Oh, dirty clothes me no washing a ball. What you want? The house is stink with the dirty clothes them.
Me tell us if you wash me clothes them.
No, you don't have to wash your
Alright,
clothes.
so
But
when
you have them pack up in the house.
make them pack man, you always give yourself extra work. Cause what? Me tell us if cookie food. You couldn't just cookie food, you know. You couldn't just cookie food. Look how the sky look. Rain a go fall. Before you cookie food, I know say yo you go have hot food in the rain, you go fall. Why?
But yeah, make it. You don't understand.
You don't
When
understand.
you
You
live
don't
with a woman,
understand. Well, you
we
don't understand. That's why
Woman no likes the dirty clothes.
Oh.
They don't like the dirty things. The place up
Alright,
clean.
that's the thing you see me throw over there, so you don't touch. I feel me territory over there, so you don't touch over there. I never me tell if you go in there and go dig up me dirty clothes them where you say me dirty clothes them and go wash them.
It's okay, Bobby. As me don't need some, cause I'm hungry too.
Right now, me even touch what carry out and wait me there, so I wait.
Like how you go and wait. I can do something for me.
What that?
Well,
You take too long, no
one
worry tell me.
bucket down the river, more you go feed for me, please.
Me nah go down there, so I'm sorry. Nah go down there, so but can't start cook. Me nah go down there, so no man.
Alright, let me go feed bucket first.
No man. Alright, watch out now. Start the cooking, me I go feed when done. Go on.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so you want me get the rental, you know? Yeah, I'm get the rental, but there's something you want to deal with, I had fast from my chip out. More than, it not take more than 20 minutes or so. So you girl them forward. Yeah, man, that can't work, man, that can't work, that can't work. Can't work, man, I tell you. Yo, give me a second now. I'm so sure about, yeah?
Give a second now, what you couldn't want to see me for?
Yo.
What you want? What happened? What?
I can't move, sir, brother.
What you couldn't come for? What you couldn't really want with me? What? From your family come over for me yard, you know. Come job, blood, you know, me no want none of you back over there. You know too, you know. You more than know, you know, me no want you back over there. None tall, you know. None of you and none of your people, them. Me no want around there, so.
What do you mean family? Yo,
By
listen
that.
to me. Any situation I go on, a long time situation,
Long
about 10 years,
time.
that, bro. Go on to you.
I could have even 100
I'm
years.
a cousin, them business, that brother,
Your
far cousin, too.
your far cousin,
Eh?
your family.
Eh?
See, friend of your family, a family, me no want you back around this so. And where you could have really grown on my place, come do.
I just want to
Just,
mash it.
no man, no,
eh?
you can't get from around there. Avoid the whole, watch out, man, just avoid the place. Yeah. That me I tell you, cause you feel like say you're afraid, I'm afraid to do something, you know. I'm not afraid of you know. No.
A man a come like in junk to baseball. I wonder if you know him a deal. Eh? Yo, the youth one named Buzz the corner. When you give him a message to me, you know, because I don't really want to get no trouble in right now, you know, and that him want me get back, you know. Make him know, say, if you know him talk to, I know him deal with. See? Because all I want to try to create peace, because as him done see already say, the place I run away from back in the days, the man I want to revive stuff. Yeah, man, the same youth where I'm at planting weed them with, man. Yeah, him same one. Make him understand himself, because basically, he don't know what kind of a fire in start right now. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, today. Yes, I. Let's do that, man. Do that, man. I'll link him up. I simply I go to the man place to go borrow a machine because I say, you know, gone are the days. I 1 decade past, 10 years. And the man I make it sound like I know this thing. Nah, man, he out order, man. I've got to teach him a lesson if I sub the case. Alright. That's so far. Alright. I wouldn't want to talk to you, you know.
Yeah, you must go and check, man. I look me there, I look for the thing them there, and I say, boy, you don't look bad.
Nah, man, I look good at all.
I say, watch you now.
What's your
Boy,
style?
come and
Different head, you know, bro. You have to talk about you see this here? Millions, this, you know?
You don't have to tell me.
Millions, this, you know?
You don't have to tell me. Watch
Good
you know.
money.
I make a reason to your boy still for show, you know.
Remember, I said, we fi talk, you know. Hold
Yeah.
on, man. We fi talk.
For that reason, yes.
Watch out. Me have to talk from our day pertaining to how we are going to split this thing. Because me I say,
You know, say come like got a reason with them, you. Because that I come to talk to you about, you know.
serious?
Believe in me, that. Because me say, you know, say, because remember, say, you know. Me pray the thing, and me say, you know, say, he like he does, he need a share right, you know. Because in a one way, me I say, as a youth, a hard working and sound style, you can't give your last, you know. You know them way there?
Yes, sir.
So you have to take care of people and deal it good.
Right.
So night time I say, boy, the 50-50 thing, you know, go work, dog, you see? Come and say, I can't go give 50 of my thing. I go to tea for myself. And I look on it right now and I say, this will make you want to do the 50-50 thing. You know?
But me, I made say, I know it's like, right now, it's like a party I can't set.
No, man, watch out, man.
So watch out. Look here, me I done the talk before we even put this thing here, so you know. Me I talk and say, we are taking on this thing.
Man, you better go back in the past, man. Me go work out that thing, such as a one. 35% or 35.
For you.
For you get a 35.
You're mad.
You get a 65.
I'm a work hard. You like you lick your head. No bother with that.
Remember say, yeah,
no bother with that. No bother with that. You can't do that. We come too far. We fall too far. Why if that come?
Man, give me a cinnamon.
Where are
Remember saying, you know. You casting to clean up your place, you know. Remember saying, you know. You seedling them. But daddy, long story short, me and the post there complain. I just know say you get the 35 and we get 7 pieces
drop that.
And we good.
Brother, drop
You
that.
dig?
Watch out. Me are good. Me are good. As me I say me are good.
So you can shake on it.
Look now, man. Let me show you something. Me good with 40-40. As in, you get 40%, me get 40%. We use the next 40% to set back your farm. So wait no man. That way there, you don't have to spend no money on buying nothing. Your farm take care of your farm. You see it? So me that
wait a minute here, waste a while ago.
40-40. Remember saying that you work, me work, you know. I have an idea that look like art.
So they say you're the same amount of work as me?
What you are trying? You are going. You hear me I say?
Alright, give me 50, you take 30 and put back 20 in the farm.
You look your head, man. You know, right now.
Wait, say my phone. Wait,
right. We have to have that conversation.
Yo.
Serious.
Why pretty no big man? But what you man has me done tell him, me connect with him, me make you know when everything is ready. No worry yourself, charge it. Yeah. Me link you. Right. Man, you walk up on like you lose reason, man.
Oh, you know, may I forgot chat here, man. May I check up your yard later?
So me and just a boy. I'm like a mad people made the business in the charge. Mama, there, you know, man. Get a special, you know. I want crave in here, there. White rum. You know, white rum, a beef, you know. Everything go on door. Which is right. Yeah, man. Hot special right now. I get a one crave in here, please and thanks. Place quiet, some man. Like your box. Judge of God. Nah, man, I go on normal. See you, man, the right thing around.
I pray no bad dog.
How you go now? Them there, go
Get
go.
one of them, you know. Get one of them.
Give me one crave there, mama.
No, you lie. Boy.
Say did that with?
You know, can't eat a like, man. You know, say me I want pray for. Nah, I want bad to show you, but you don't know if you're animal link, can't what you know.
Who that?
No, Franco. Rasta Franco.
One.
Say, me know they me yard today, you would.
Mm-hmm.
I go on the road, so I go hustle one piece of food. And I know, say, the boy named Franco go see me and tell him, say, him go run on my yard for my shit. And for film, cause they violate me, family, in the same time, and then I come tell me about a long time. Me kill them now, man. Me don't want them around there.
Where's it? Go yard with machete or go yard for machete?
For machete. Where am I going yard for machete for? We have machete for him.
No, I don't know if you're Frank and all this business, brother.
Brother, they violate my family for any time. The blood spilling on me. You know, but in a long time.
Yeah, but what's I've been and tell us if you shake off something from that time.
Yeah, but I realize that you will gravitate.
Me?
You know, you're him apart from what day.
Man, I tell no lie, my brother. We come
What
as a
make you
cousin
feel? What
with.
make you feel like?
We come as a cousin with. Me and my shadow. Me, myself, and I. Franco who? I want Franco Marriott and a Franco Wildlife. I tell her that.
Boy.
Hey, come tell me man, I'm violator now.
Man, come and I go tell me about now. So, watch out now. Boy, don't know say, you know. Boy, don't know say, you know. My sister tell me back everything when tell him say, you know. We him tell her say, you know. You see me? And me did them here say, I go ask my sister if I...
Right, so my cousin, I'm not cut. Wait a minute, Siva. Because I'm a boy, you know, say if I'm not in that.
No, man. But you just make you know what I go take place if in continue come round. So I just make you know.
So wait a minute. Raise with them here. Like you know, ease up.
Well, tell the truth. You just not look no problem. You don't want him in my village, you know, in my yard. You don't want him in my yard. You know, if you say nothing to him, just hit, just.
No, I'm just tell him say.
Hear what he have to say.
Yeah.
Hear what he have to say. Just feel out what them when my job and
that
say.
That up still. When I feel that nothing, no man I say still, my friend.
Man grieve.
We'll fix things,
me out.
We'll fix things, man.
Man grieve me out. But I don't know.
Right now, yeah, because I'm craving now. We are sort of get and I start about man. This is me such a. I kill a person, my brother. That's not that stress, brother. Yeah, you I'm a tough. I'm link him right now. I'll call the boy the Frank. Come on, bring him. Bad man, we could just fix things now, cause.
Fixing a fear we certain way that.
Brother, right now, me call him and
call him, man. You can't talk to him, man. But watch out, me and him not the one place on you call. Probably, yo, watch out, man. Call.
Yo, come give me a link, dog. Run a gym chase, run a HQ with them, man. Yeah, Mumsel bar, man. Same red bar the panel, yeah. Circle me, dog, right now. It'll be a joke thing on the panel, dog. Believe it. Oh, I'm gonna get the next crave in there, man, because I'm gonna stress out my brain, dog. I call it money last.
You're gonna make it last.
See you right there, man. Yo, come on there, oh, I'm gonna see her reach it, dog. So you stay there with?
Yeah, easy, man. Where you going?
Let me there, dog. So I say I give you a link. Where you did that with?
You know, I go already. You know, active.
So everything good with you?
But you may say.
Mm-hmm.
I always say I show about.
Yeah, so I can't get a link.
Yeah, I can link me, but normally I link me, you know, just a random link. I want.
Alright, me get down. Me just get down to me time matter. Me not beat around the bush. Me dey on the road while ago. See? And a bag of thing me hear, brother. You see it? Me say you lift up machete and run down man for chop up man and beat thing, brother. Someone know what kind of vibes that. You don't know?
Rubbish shooter, right?
What?
Rubbish shooter.
So like them Franco.
I'm on different Franco.
Brother man I say Rasta Franco.
Yo, I be a drink, I think. That's all.
Brother from man me drink dog cause be things me hear, brother.
Alright, you know say.
How you phone violate me dog you?
So you really feel say me a violate?
No, but watch out.
I say, well, listen to me, I said, man. We can't talk at the same time. So you don't say what I say, so let me say what I say.
Me what I say?
I say peace, you know. Because I say Rooks from that easy.
So you don't man in my shit.
Yo, bro, I wrong information I hear, bro. I have the wrong information. You hear me? Me no feel say me if you have a conversation. Big up yourself, see? Good for see you. Long time no see you still. Big up your father for me, see?
Big up father. Go on. Go on. You better know where the team. If I like one boy, better tell me that. Drink and next special and calm my brain here, man. Tired and beat out, you know? See, nothing wrong with that, you know. I show you a little pre, you know. Hear me still, see? Which day there? First, I ask you, yeah, think they still apart at the ISIS.
Yeah, ice is good, man.
You are one now. You must show me one pre, like, say, they don't really understand how me program stuff. Because you know, I try to make peace, eh? I mean, not to remember certain vibes. Link up one girl on the corner down there, so. Round pan for me ends up, so.
Yeah.
Not knowing, say, I when she really live down there, so I just want to think I want to start out, borrow the machine. They must say, more chop up girl and rotate. I mean, I say, what kind of mix up this rotate, long and short.
Yeah.
But Bulby now, him forward, and I say, boy, him no want me run a film place because few family them going to spill blood round there and all them something there. So me I say, not even remember that, bro. So long and short, this is the thing. Him man I go make me know say boy, you know, want me run and place and I must show it in a way like say boy, you want chuck badness for me.
But they can't do that. So you don't know say me and you link like that.
Yo, them knowing about them not really care. You know, some people kinda not understand life and feel like, you know, them for just work off of them vibe how them feel like at the moment.
Why? I have to go really check out what I go and do, you know.
Yeah, give me a link for me,
You have said this to me right now. I know say if you never see you, you don't come to me still. I know say if you don't feel threatened, you don't come to me. So, watch you pray. It's because I put on certain things. That'll be because of that they feel like they can take advantage of certain things. Yo, they don't know say I'm here link.
Yo, sometimes some people knowing about them kind of forget and then understand, say, as me say, I put on certain things. I mean, want, you know, like everything set on a level. They don't really understand certain level. But you know, just do it in a one militant way for you understand what really are going to take place. Cause, yo, I'm not like you still know. You see all the girl around there. Kind of rate her a long time I see her and I don't want to, you know, get her talk officially, but based on circumstances, I know I can run in a certain way. So just see if I can sort out that thing with Bulby first. They know what I go on.
But differently still, you have to make sure say you're on her the understanding terms, you know. Because if she has hurt the Bulby, I make Bulby a action. Or probably Bulby and she in things.
I don't know. But as I say, can sister, you know, so long and short, just link up and find out what I want.
Right, man. I forgot to do a serious investigation for that. But so I want life, you know.
That's cool. Yo, look more we forward and all of one drink, yeah?
Nah, man.
What the reason? See?
We connect up, man.
Alright.
Culture boss.
Farmer grabber! I go on now, grandma.
Roll me in the head, man. I pray now.
Hey, youth. You know, say I go on for boat sitting there where you talk about weed business. Right now, boat ready and everything, you know, and only me wait for tell me what I go on.
Figure more or less, I think I that me shout about. I different to me shout up on still, but pretend into that. We soon life, man. I'm there, man.
From what day me a link ISIS about the weed business and he not give me no steady answer. You see me? And the boat live right now I just the weed one from the water cap, you know. Cause right now people them over Guyana in a top short and say they ready for the shipment of foot. And you see through and now when I get through with feel nothing can't pearl and argument. Cause I link done the day and I just see the weed we are wait for in my cheek.
No your head, man. No your head. Everything are good in that regards. Differently. Long sure star, reach the bridge that we cross. When we used to go and run so I do.
What you talk about?
I hear all the good thing, man. Watch now. All the good birdie. Come tell me say you run so a bad up one man and something. If a piece, you know. And if a war.
Where you hear that from?
Watch now.
China man, you see all of what you talk about right now, me no want to put this in the pan, but right now I just lone peace me a pray. Right now you get a negative vibes that bring to me and a negative word that come out of your mouth right now. And me no depend on that right now. I cheat. Energy, good energy me I deal with right now. And yeah, come to me with round so I go on round so what do me I do it. I'm here, man. What you talk about?
Simple question, man.
No, what you talk about?
I ask you, it's a simple. Alright, remember, so we put on certain things, you know.
You know
or we put it down because of money we have focus on.
You know too.
Or just the cheese on. You see it? Money we have focus on. And you say, if you see a piece. Right. So me not understand where that come from. Cause me hear something, me ask you what go on. You come like say nothing.
Oh yeah, you hear something, you ask me what go on, but you're not come clean with me, my friend.
Me not come. Me never did there, no. Me hear something, you know. You did it, and that's why me ask you.
Me don't know what you talk about that. If you don't make me know what you talk about, we can't do that. You see, you hear
brother,
something.
Brother, the mind. Brother, the mind.
Wait. I know the Rasta boy, they come and tell you things. When they even know, I say.
Long you don't know how I go. You're not
but watch out, me share a pre. You only tell me say you hear something. So that simple means say Rasta go tell us something. About me.
Watch out, Rasta.
Watch out, man. Let me show you a pre. Let me show you a pre. Let me show you a pre.
Right, that's why I come.
Let me show you a pre. I respect you. I respect you. And you see, if you forward to me with certain argument, you know, make sense. Me come round and I die. Watch out, man. You see, fear. Argument them and female argument them are different in the car. You notice when I come here and ask about both.
You say peace.
You tell me about peace. Right now, you just get my brain grieve, my friend.
Yeah, for peace, you know, peace, you know.
A normal pre-man. A normal pre-man. Me do that. Watch out, man, big up yourself. And big up your Rasta friend self too, you know. You and two and you can big up on yourself. Watch out, man. Me no want hear no. Watch out, man. Me no want hear no more about where you talk about. Cause you come like say, you don't understand what really are going. But yet, you come like say aside, you start pick. And you see through me know say, me know, it makes sense. Me just avoid the whole of this, you know. So it makes sense me go about my business and my G. So, but the both thing to be continued.
A normal pre man, you go on. You probably not even do no business to car. You over here son a peace, you know, but if a war.
Hello? Go on, where the pan? You know, say, I want one preview show you. Half of today, true. Remember, say, from what day me a link you and I ask you what I go and see he weed and you know, Lena give me a good answer. So I say, alright, me I go link Grammar Zone. You know, say, a badness man I come tell me about from make sure say from a good you say you good, you know, one bag of... Brother, actually I don't even know you. He cut everything in my heart. And then I go tell me about he see a Rasta boy, I go tell me say yo, the Rasta come tell him say yo. Me bad up myself and one bag of something. Brother, right now, me start pretty corrupt, you know. Cause me not gonna make no man kill me, you know, my friend. Me rather kill them before them kill me, you know. And me not gonna make no man feel like say yo, me and them are the same thing, you know, my friend. Cause watch on a man for them badness different from my badness, you know. What you mean? Brother, I understand what you are saying. But watch you know. So I'm to me no here. Me understand. Me not kill up myself. When you talk about kill up self, me not kill up myself, my G. But man, they just grieve me out. Where you think to go on? Where you think to go on? Cause me not understand and me not get him. Man I pray me and me not know him, but you see it too, you know. You see it, so me I try to be a good youth, you know. Yo.
Brother.
Yo, me shout about them sister their foot. Alright, now we talk about this. Look come over and now, I come get a check. Yeah. Alright, now we link up. Go on.
I'm there.
What happened now?
No, you know, so I'm there now, so I just get one little dream.
Yeah, get gym. What
I
kind of
just get
gym
one
that?
little dream. Are you my dream? See,
Me a
like,
dream,
me see
see.
you run. I mean, I say, where you run? Go like you run from somebody or something. So I just jump out of my dream and I hear a voice when I say, so I just say, I come to you.
Chacha. I never really you. And you dream them. I hold back certain progress in me.
No, why
Yo,
would I
watch
say
on
that?
man, dreams to yourself, man. Me know what your dreams see me. Cause watch on the big things are going on in my life right now. Nothing how my plans that me have now work out, you know. And you can't tell me about dream. One day if I hear your dream, them and hold back enough things.
Bobby.
Never hustle, you know, and all of them sitting here just right now, nothing not going my way. Piece of food for reach me, can't reach me now, cause what? Yeah, your dream
You
then.
know why you not reach out? Because you're not pray.
Pray.
You're not fast.
Fast.
You're not go to church.
Church.
You're not show love.
Love.
You understand?
Mm.
So each time when I did it, I talk on phone and I tell a friend them this and tell her that, but we go pray.
Me ask you one question, one single question. What prayer ever do for you?
It keep me alive.
Keep you alive.
Make me have a clean
Me not too
heart.
pray, you know. I'm alive right now, you know. So where you found it? What?
Me not no problem.
Yeah, you know, no
Nobody
problem.
not run me down. Nobody not look for me.
You see
Nobody
nobody
not.
run me down.
So-
Your dream say something and then you go talk like you say somebody run me down. You see people run me down. Make sense
But
allow me alone to
that's
go and
why
back up the say, you know.
You see?
You don't have things to do.
That's why I
Things
gotta
in the
go close
house
the
here,
door for you.
Gotta close the door for
I'ma
me.
lock you out in a ball
If you
because
not
you're
close it
not
for
listening,
you,
you know.
if you not close it for you, and me gotta close it for
Listen to me. I pray me come to pray
no
for
man,
you.
yeah,
You
your
know.
prayer can go on back to sleep. Pray in your sleep.
That's why everything
Pray in
we
your
are
sleep.
reach you.
Yeah man,
I go reach you.
yeah man, cause you
Because
did
me
it.
come to pray for you and you come run me.
Yeah, go on man. Me no want hear. Where you
God
have
upset with you, you know, Balby. He vex with you, you know, because I know you this. You used to go to church, what change? Bad company and they sitting there take over your brain, Balby. Come and pray for you as an...
Go and go pray in your dream, man. In your dream, you say things happen. You go back in your dream and go pray. Me no want you pray.
You know, just tell me say you go through some stuff.
Yes, but I know for your business
Yes,
that.
then don't see me see it and we come to pray for
you. You see a Christian name where you worship and your pastor. Go pray for them. Go pray for them and then mix up self. Cause you mix up to you know.
The blood of Jesus against
you mix up your pastor, your pastor, and mix up, you know, cause you don't go to church and hear people business and come back to me and come sack. crucify me, you know. What kind of man, go on.
Me not crucify you,
Go
you know.
on. You
I
think
never
I know
judge
me a
you as
Jesus.
my
I know me
brother,
a
you know.
Go on, go
Me
on, man,
always
go on.
did it for you, know. Me
I
look
said, go
out for
on.
you as a
You see
sister,
anything you want to
know.
do, you go to church, go do it. If you want to pray, you go to church. If you want to fast, you go to church. If
Me
you want,
always
if you
pray
want,
and
if you want,
fast for you. That's why you
where
feel
other
by
one you
yourself.
call? Where other one you call?
Terry?
Me don't know what they mean by that about Terry. But all me know say, you and your pastor can go on. Me and my problems, you have your problems. Me not tell you my problems. Me know why you tell me your problems.
Bulby.
Your dreams are your problems.
Bulby.
My dreams are my problems.
Bulby.
What? Why problem? What's your
You
problem?
know what Psalms 91?
Alright, look
The
more.
Lord is my
Watch out now.
shepherd.
Yeah man, bun me
I
out.
shall
Me
not
don't care what you
want.
want to say, no, bun me out.
Listen
But watch
to
out now,
me.
me have better things to do right now. Look more, me don't have time for you. Look more.
You see you? God cover him, God and protect him because you don't know where you're bad. My God, you know say something wrong with you now. Come see it in a dream.
Oh,
So go on.
I go now.
Don't give me a try check for you and can't get for
You
you.
know, long me I say bleach pan you,
Bad man. You
Same
know, say,
motive.
I same pre me have to come show you about the boy. How do you go check him about the work business, you know?
Yeah.
Me think me dey tell you about it on the phone. You know what I say? Go check him man and say.
Nah, move right from what you know. Where's that guy?
You know say he come like one of the undercover detective business him and run profile for me, bad man. Undercover business him and run for me.
See the man is them brain pan you. You know no sense.
I think me I try show you. And for me I tell him say both active and everything active and say him I go ask me about the Rasta.
Boy, they watch your money flow too much. You hear? He might try use him brain. Cut him and try cut your type business, you know.
Cut your type business.
Because down to what they may tell him a percentage he share. Man, what tell me say one, we got 50-50, like say, and him alone for get paid. And like say, goods not for buy back, and like he want take man for fool. You dig? And now you tell me say, man, they can use style pan, you know, I know you want to know what they go on. So you tell him say.
I don't give him no clue.
Just make sure.
I don't give him no clue, I'm my friend. Because remember, you know, me know how it things set, and you know how it things set.
And the police boy out there say, you know, that they're crosses, you know. Watch you know. What's happening to you and the Rasta boy now? Can you come? I'm not saying link him there now.
Yeah.
And I be a grown, him. I tell me to him straight, say, brother. Me say violate man, but me leave him, make you know. This is a style. You know? Craft. You know they make you hear but you don't give me no information.
I know my Bex, you. That's you even know my Bex right now, you.
Brother, you know Bex like a mate, man. Because you see me there, you make me there the road right now. Because friend out is from me, I don't know.
Let me tell you, say, what do you go check? The one we name called Grammar Zone. You know, say Grammar Zone I tell me, say, somebody come to him. You know, tell me how, you know, like me, you know. When he says somebody come to him, the first thing come to mind, a Rasta. He must say somebody come to him. No, matter of fact, someone, a little birdie come pitch him. Tell him, say, me, I pray violence.
Over what?
Man forward in a funny yard. I'm in a pray violence. Man forward in a yard, I'm in a pray violence.
1 + 1 = 2, you know, so that means that him and a Rasta boy have you know, some business deal, you know.
That, me I try to tell you, come like you know, catch me, I try to show you.
Like you have to fix them business.
No, listen, me I try to show you, say, yo, you have to go.
Come in and lose out again, you know.
But bad man, know you have to round them, know you surround them, and know where you go about your business round them, you know?
You know what you said, man. I don't watch them for my sport already, man.
I watch them for
I don't trust them already, you know.
You don't
I know.
trust them. And nowadays, I see you want Rasta, I want one place.
Oh, now you tell me to call Rasta and start out on the business.
No,
Man, bother with that, man.
I hear more you have to say still.
See how they come like me, I have to watch you too, you know. They
Watch
can't
you,
come and
yeah,
get piss up your talk, you know.
me up out from you can't get because
Brother,
you
you
right
can't
now.
go.
Right
Yo.
now, Rasta have to go, you know. You can't stay about here, you know. I tell you, you know.
So you say, put something on your head.
That time talk, you know. You know, do nothing too pressuring yet. You watch him.
So you go wait till he cut on sore. You throw just in pan him and fix that from early, man. One thing, man. Guys, the boy and Rasta in some business. Because man I try thief out me things. See them, man I come tell a whole different story now. If you bring corruption in the little circle now, my friend. So you know how go do. You see when they say one bad apple spoil the bunch. But no, we will get rid of them two bad apple. Because bunch now spoil this time, but they're mad. You know how long me wait for the thing them Freddy dog.
Alright, watch out now. Where are the look for me?
I fix me, I go fix things.
Alright, watch out. Me a few ends.
Yeah, no say nothing more. No say nothing more.
Alright.
Sis, where you going? Where you go? So fast. So I can't see you and ask you where you go. Check it out, boy.
Never say you can't see me, I go, but you didn't stop me now. What happened?
Come on, watch out. Here you are going. There's a certain time. Check it out, boy. They don't feel move so fast. Look for the time. Yo, if you show you a preset way, you know, say the place not really safe. Like one time, you know.
What you mean? What you mean by
yeah,
place
but
not safe? Like one time.
Certain things we can't really sit here and that. So you have to just stick my word for it, what I tell you right now. Just low off our road certain way.
Hey, listen to me.
Sis, me not tell you nothing wrong, man.
Listen to me. Because sometimes I wonder if me and your job from the same home. You understand? Because if you come like me, you don't relate, you know. What you mean by, first and foremost, we didn't even feel step so fast because look on the time. Listen, you know. You see, anything we are going, me not really care. As a matter of fact, me not care. Because right now, I mean, man, me go check, you know, in downtown right now, we don't have food for me. I mean, if you talk to him about certain things, I mean, if you fix certain things, you understand? So when you have come with now,
you just
my
not
bro,
understand.
me not really want to hear. Because this is the thing. And I like saying, no, me I walk out there and me I make trouble with people. I am not a troublemaker, you know.
Remember say you know your life for me used to live, you know. And right now, things not so pretty like how it get pretty over there. So the place I get ugly. So me no want you go certain place. That's all me I say to you. Remember say me have to warn you, you know, because I have to protect mine, I have to protect my people. You know.
So basically I say if they can't catch quack or they catch a shot, go catch them mama. Hey, let me tell you something. Me don't want you to break me. Listen, me understand you. Tell me say me don't really understand where I go on. But you know say really and truly me understand everything where I go on. You didn't know say me act like more man more than how you act. Because me there so. And me know everything where I go on. I'm a clutch back and me just observe. All on there wanna be a chatting. Listen to me. Me born alone, and me stand alone, and me walk alone, and me fight alone, and you can't tell me something if you come out of this yard certain time of night. No, me can't go so. You can't tell me that. You understand? Me have something I need to fix right now because I only start this.
Sis, watch out now, watch out now. Remember say grung, right me, you know. All you talk about alone. Watch out. You see if they touch your ear for your head, I know hit alone I get touched. Because I go brush off the whole of them. Please. And my place I get nasty. You see, because I don't want to do certain things. You see, because I don't really want. Alright, watch ya. Just be careful, yeah, man. I don't go certain places, yo.
So, me can ask one question. I don't know say you're Iron Man. Alright, me respect the fact say you will protect me at all costs. But brother, you can't tell the big woman say the my time of night I enough for God. Alright, since that's the my time of night I'm enough for God, come security, follow me. Follow me. You can't follow me. You see it? So you protect me. You protect me now. You just a talk. I know some me just go do my business. I still can't come with me to go down the road to the man. To me man. Me hungry and no more for food to eat. And you see
right now,
hungry, you can't give me no food.
Right now, I'm sorry some even tap your talk. That's why some of the times I was reach you. Lucky some man loving you, you know. You
reach out. Go on my business.
You know what? I know.
Where food there?
Sometimes I wonder if I become a tribe food. People have tried to stand it. So really and truly, all that food, brother, come drop our food and thing. But you must talk some stuff. I'm gonna let the money here to be, you know, that kind of stuff. But you don't back here, you can't get some food.
So Orlando, all the food is a problem. Eh? You see, from what you may tell us saying you need a wash off, you know. And you think a joke me I make, you know. Because all the little food when I come and suffer now, me can't get it.
What make you go on?
Eh? What me go on so because here we go on now, me dey go on so. You mean to tell me say you still a good on the careless people them yard? Eh? People wanna like you. You still a good on the yard. What wrong with this, sir? What wrong with this? You big cranium where you have. What wrong with it?
One thing just
Eh?
always so loud and I'm going like you want to feel the scene. It just easy yourself. What you hear about? What you hear about make you come to me about it not going to
Where you gone on people them yard gone borrow? Eh? You can't go down.
You never know, say. I go speak, God never true. You never know, say, not even say, I will actually fit them place like that. But actually, you, them, were, you know, you piece everything when crash and calm. Me go link him and say me can buy the machine, and never look at him chop out at the front of the yard. See him look something. You see him go, part of the way say one plan stuff them, and then some say one chop out. What happened that's the thing just reach a way where them feel like me not supposed to forward this stuff. And that I hear about, that hear about?
What you mean by you reach you're not supposed to forward this up? Remember they not like you. They not like you. And what happen can't change. So where they talk about? You can go a enemy yard go and borrow machine. Eh? Me ask you one question.
This is me never know say it's still hot like I used to have. That you know. To be honest with you, know, me never remember about that, you know. Because me just innocently go down and say, boy, I reckon a piece over 10 years now. A long time business. So me feel so now if me gonna talk and reason, you know, buy this something, it wouldn't cause such a big eruption.
No. I know so things go. I know so life set up now. What you mean by you never know say?
So make you dip on my case for that situation.
What you mean by me ask one question, what you mean by you never know say things would have be like this? What you mean by that? You can't say, listen, you forget, but them not go forget. Eh? You can't go violate a man yard. And true because 5 years pass, 10 years pass, 20 years pass, you go back there and feel like you and a man is a friend. Same way. No, me no go so. I may tell you say you not move like you have no sense. Eh? First and foremost, listen, let me talk out of my good mood because me have a very good mood. Let me talk. First and foremost, why the reason why you're good on this, you still can't tell me. You know, see, all them are idiot down there. Eh? You know, see, the boy have one look idiot sister in America. Eh? That the girl, I don't know what she, me don't know what she for because she take the blame for somebody. You can't take blame for somebody nowadays. Me never know so nowadays people are take blame for people. Eh? So me can go so. Eh? So I may try to show you be an idiot down there, so you still gone on the boy, you gonna borrow my shit. Eh? You gonna borrow my shit. Oh, okay. Me see now. Boy, you never see a tunnel without a lane. Me see what go on now. So you want the girl? Yeah, look, Marika. Oh, so you look idiot people now. Eh?
Just calm. Make you get something. Because anything you're hungry, you're not this stuff. Wow.
Am I gear so lick out about anytime I'm hungry? I don't know myself. You idiot. What you mean by disrespect? I disrespect me now. Eh? Let me see what passes. I disrespect me. What you mean by when me hungry? Me don't know myself. Eh? Right now you look hungry more than me.
Kiki.
Oi.
Give me a minute now.
Lord Jesus, how this woman come from go from me.
Oh,
Are you?
say never see me when me a hawk come see me.
No, I have to throw some clothes without you know. Yeah, right. You can't call it so.
So make you look so.
Hello. From the incident, me just change my life and start going church, you know. Go revival church, so that's why me look so.
That's nice. So, I wish me very honest with today, man.
To be honest, you know, say I'm favor me to ask you.
Oh, Jesus. What kind of favor that now, man?
Well, I don't really say more bring up back the past, but remember when we go to jail for
Stick up it. Yes. Yeah, Jesus. Me know say you
yeah,
got jail to me now.
yeah.
Me not be angry for it. Really appreciate it. But me tell you say after you go, me never want, you know, want to see you back again. Cause me know certain people think say, that if you know what I mean.
Remember, say you do what you do, you know, and me take the blame for you as a good friend, you know. So,
Listen.
you can't tell me now, say, no, you can't tell me, say, you don't want to see me back after that. After me take part for you,
Listen.
you should have been, as a matter of fact, when me come and say, ask you for your favor, you should have given me a favor, you know, without no hesitation, you know.
Me understand. And me not tell you, me appreciate you one more time. If you could have turned back time and make it go over again, but I make you take it blame again and me tell you thanks.
Wow! You
God do.
deserve a reward for that. Mother clap for you. Mother
Alright.
testify
Alright.
about
Alright.
this for you.
What kind of favor? What kind of favor?
Alright. With my one record thing, every time I go look job, me can't get no job because when the people then type up my name and say my name come up on the system and say so. Me just want a money from you feel like clear my police record. Like
Money?
one. Yeah,
You got
money.
money from me now?
Fuck's that.
Brother, right now, for me, I'm man in an argument about money. I got money now. Listen to
All
me.
arguments involved with money.
If you get one partner job, I know say as a man get the partner job, brother, man makes me after that. Right now, me and him at it.
You're supposed to have money put on somewhere else or have money in a bank, you work, you have a big house.
To be honest, me never have a face now, cause you know the amount of bills me have to pay. But me have light bill, water bill. I love to my house, it's rented. Sometimes I go visit him, sometimes I find get the partner money, but I'm not even want to see me a yard. And I'm me and him when I show the partner. So how you look at that? Would have helped and everything, but
Kiki, to be honest, I feel like say you did one good friend with I'm back.
of course me have
No, you don't have me back. Even when me got jail for you, not once you can look for me. Not
busy,
even
brother.
food you can't come give me when you know say you do
Brother,
what you
I
do
just
and
couple
me.
nights I spent
Listen, me drop out of school for you. My education pass just because of you. Me think we are the best thing.
What you want me do? Roll on red carpet, make you walk on here, that you want me do? You want me put on red carpet
Me
and
deserve it.
thank you?
Me deserve it.
Me tell you say me could have turned back time, would have turned it back and make you do it and me thank you again. What you say want me to do?
Let me tell you something. I say, my God, when me a serve, never fail me.
So all of a sudden you come out of prison and just
But
want to serve God.
listen, you see, what goes around, come back around. Remember me did tell her that.
Me sorry, and me I tell you thanks.
As a matter of fact, me don't want your thanks. I feel disappointed in you. And you let me down.
Alright,
As a friend. Hey! You don't make no sense. Cause not what you said to me right now. If you have me feeling in my heart, only God no more understands. I'm disappointed.
But such is life. That's why I go. Yeah, matter. Why turn my phone and vibrate? I would say, God, that next one. Hello. Oh, hold on. Repeat the sentence there. What? What you say about Bobby? No, man, he come like Jesus and work with me today. You don't say, sister, just come and check me, say, you want a favor from me. He actually just step out. I don't think she reached far. So you want a favor for me give me money for cleaning police record like I did tell him. I did tell him because yeah. I mean by the way, sorry about that. What happened to Bobby? You see, me tell her if friend them were in Paris. It's a family thing. That's what they intend. If who all of them, but that's all. The family thing. You look, you see hospital, you know, please, sorry, never did. No, me there, me can't come down there. Me don't have no money. I'm sorry. Me don't know, you know, your sister just left out. I don't know where she a go. Just up in her say she turned Christian. Yeah? I don't know what kind of Christian she turned. With police record. I never miss her girl prison. She said she had do it for me. And she disappointed me. Who? Me there. Me I go and live my life. Me not make them stress me. Listen to me. Me have clothes to go pin out. You know, I can't take up my time. So we are going to the hospital. Good for you. You can call her sister. Woman of God. Later we have clothes to pin out. Bye. Aye. No warm too no.
Oh God, boss.
What's your going on?
You know what's in there?
Let's see, do the thing.
Which thing that again?
What mean, so which thing? Now you tell me so never deal with man, you mash up man.
Oh, the youth there. Deal with that, man.
Yeah, cause the last person we send you go mash up in a brother. Person still alive, I walk out every day, everything good enough.
What do you mean the man still alive? Bossy, me sure, me 100% sure say last man they send me go kill, me deal with him. Me swear to God. Me shoot him 3 different times, you know?
Listen, me I tell you something. When me say you go do no work, just make sure see you there until the person stop breathing on the ground.
Alright, boss. But me swear to Almighty God himself, say yo, a man you just so I go send me go kill, me deal with him, man. Wicked man.
Alright, me just want
Me shoot him in the leg and me shoot him in the back. And you know some most time when leg shot
so
reach.
you stay there until he stop breathing?
Yeah man. Yeah man. Me stay man. Boss, listen up. Me have to move quick. Still you know, me have to move very quick you know, cause I be a people there around. So me just make sure so me shoot him in the back and then me go up to him and me put one in the leg and then me run off. So hopefully nobody never see.
Alright, but just want to know say he not walk around and everything good. Cause anyhow he not dead, I'm gonna know say I'm gonna do it time with my money. But you what? Once he dead, I'm gonna link you for your next work. See?
So when the next work there come?
Know yourself when me call it.
What about the money part?
We call it to man, just know yourself one.
Alright, look come on, boss.
Alright.
General.
Where's that one? Glad you stay now. Yeah, man. Because you are going now, I'm ready to do some work.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man. Come and get rid of the biggest enemy with you with some money.
How can I do that now?
Yeah, I'm not too happy to talk about this thing, but you are going. Where's you ready for go for the boat?
Yeah, man, because I guess I know that more I shout about because my little brother-in-law, you know, he might deal with some stuff. And you know, more of it, you know, have a different kind of investment from a different perspective. Some money for ship out certain way. Cause alright. Things we used to do make we alright. So me always hear them say, if you continue to do what you always do, you'll get the same. You know what I mean?
Same
So one
result,
change the
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
So me I say if you now can ensure say boy, instead of putting 200,000 put in 4 this time.
Yeah, man,
So
I'm
guess
ready
what?
to
Bigger
invest, man.
amount, you know what I mean? So we guarantee certain things. You know? So but I wanna say you can forward upon that.
Alright, yo. Give me 2 days, man.
2 days too long, bro. Brother, I could have called up on your phone. You know? I could have tell you where I go on your phone and rate it. You know me there. Forward and link you. Personally, if you know say right now or never. Cause look on the time. You see the place get cloudy. Out of sea, rough. Personal business right now.
Alright, here me go do that. What see me can call me accountant and we'll line up some money.
But that I feel now.
Give me until later. Man.
Later in the day.
Yeah, man.
Remember now, boss. We have make this thing work, you know, on a better side for both of we, you know. Because I tell you, say, some vibes are going from my end to what me just now bring it to the business side. When everything done and clear, then me will have reason with you.
Right.
You understand me? I say?
Word,
So big up yourself, you know. So later on, expect a call.
Yeah, man.
Alright. I'm come check it back. Check it back.
No, man, me call him, man. Yeah, man, stay by your phone. We call him, man.
Alright, bro. Respect. Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah, man.
Bite money, man. How long me call him and he say I deliver food and I know he can't reach. Like so styling, man.
Good evening.
Good evening. How make you look so?
I don't even understand. Well, you understand, you know, because to tell you the truth, I'm stressed right now. Like, I literally don't know my mind space right now. Like, I feel like I'm mad. As some feel. Like, my brother dey on my mind. Brother dey in hospital, you know. He get shot one night, you know.
That don't sound safe.
Not unsafe at all. Then again, Kiki, you know, you are all the person who say when me go jail, and Kiki me go for me take a blame for she.
Yeah.
You are all the person who know that. And that day, other night, I go up her yard go ask her for help. And you know, I hear how the girl deal with me, like
Stick up in. You don't say you should do it. Like literally, you should have never put yourself in that position. You understand what I say? Because Kiki is not good somebody. Kiki is not a good person. You understand what I say? It's like some people only do they when they want a helping hand from you. It's like then they drain your energy. You know see that?
I see it about, remember somebody take her as my friend, my sister, somebody who did it for me, somebody who I'm about. Me I did a friend, you know, but we did on and off, on and off. I remember say you change school. So that they kind of mash up everything. So me did have to stick to she.
You did have to stick to she. Sometimes I better you stick by yourself. I'm going to tell you again. Some people come in your life to just drain your energy. That's all me have to say to you. When it pertaining to Kiki.
Remember say one time she had do all her stuff them, Me feel like she has something good, Me feel like say she did the arm me back. When me not no lunch money, she would have give me some of her lunch. And I know that look away there, somebody kind of feel good
Well,
about
now
that.
your sister she not good somebody because she make you take you fall. You take you fall fear and what happen now? Eh? She turn her back on you, right? Anyways, me no want you. Me no like how you look. And then you're gonna tell me so you feel like you're mad. You need to get the thought the out of your brain. Power in the tongue. You understand? You of all persons should have know that.
Me know.
So me no want you speak life in your life and top tell me boy you feel like you're going mad.
Me feel like I get the point.
Alright, let me get you.
Make me get the point. The point is, me can't get no work. Me have to just stay at home, take care of my big brother and myself. Now see them my big brother gone to hospital. Who go help me? Nobody not did that for give me one little money. Nobody and my brother help me even though he treat me some way sometime. But him alone me have right now can lean pan. What if in the even like a drop out or something, or what if in the cripple, or then you have to look on them things if none of them something that they happen to him, I don't know what more I do right now.
Me get what you say. Trust me, me get what you say, but me just want you to speak life into your life. Me not like a little down feeling where you put in, right? You yourself is a Christian and you invite me at church. You understand? So you should tell me them or something here. You get what me say? But the little time when you invite me at church, me learn little something. You understand? But for other day, I need to talk to you about this. You know something I feel like say? Me don't want to come back to church though.
Why is that?
The fact is that something about church people. If rain fall, if you even see rain set up, they not come to church. Right? Then you do go to church, then judge where you have on. If Bible tell us say, come as you are. Allow me to tell? Now that the Bible tell her?
That's what the Bible says.
Right. You're in a church, then just feel like some hypocrites. Like, me in a church, I'm gonna feel comfortable. You understand what I say? Me only see word of God and me see to his church sister. So. Me not like that, man. Me not like that, but I not like me though.
I'm gonna tell you something about church. So when I go to church, people are gonna talk, people are gonna criticize. There's a part in the Bible saying, kingdom against kingdom, nation against nation, father against son, mother against daughter. Them the things that have to come to pass. You understand what I have to say? So yes, when you go to church, just know what you have in your heart and know see God you come to serve. It no matter what people they want to do or what they want to say, that's not for your business, that's for them business. Them know where them come for. You know where you come for. They know a blessing where you want. So that way
I know a blessing on me want. But if me not comfortable in one space when me a worship, what sense me a come there? Better me stay in my house and worship then.
Well, as long as you have God in your heart, you can't tell me you have worship. Nothing wrong with that.
That's really true. But you know, for church people and something, you know, some more you pray for me though. I don't know if you can give me like about, you know, half an hour of prayer because...
Half an hour?
Yeah, last time you prayed for me, and you prayed so long, I win a cash pot.
Let me tell you something. Sometimes it's best when the prayer is short and spicy. You understand?
I understand,
now
but...
when it's long and drawn out, God... Alright, but me
Alright, so give me a little short prayer because my dreams is so number last night, so...
So what?
Come.
Come in here so come pray for me cause I don't want to all dirty nigga them feel say I them me a pray a bad prayer
But
for them.
as long as it's alright, come.
Yo, bad man, no long man there say call that they come like no for that phone on you. Bad man, I mean if you think them ready, bad man, you think them ready how long now the may wait for bad man if you think they move up.
Yo.
I say tonight man them a 40 you know.
Yo.
Yo, I'm so chatty, yo, keep your phone here, I'm so chatty. I'm here, bad man.
Forward no youth.
Man, look what I'm here, brother.
Forward no dog, yeah, Muso.
Bad man, what I'm here, bad man, look so I'm here sick.
What kind of sick bad man?
So me say walk up on the bunks, man.
I don't know, say. I be things are going right now, my brother.
Some of these are going to do, you know.
No, right now, a big things going right now. You see all the Rasta boy there? Boy, you see if me ever catch him, a problem. You don't know what go on, dog.
Wow.
Now, hospital me I come from in the youth.
For what? For
So
what?
you say man, they run down for me, wicked and bust shot off for me or something.
Who?
Me have to jump out. Yeah, ask then, wait, yeah. Someone you ask me
Brother, come like say
who?
boy, dog.
If you ask me who I'm here, try explain myself to you, youth.
Brother, you little linky thing, brother.
When I tell me about linky. And they put your hat in you, youth. Try to stuck on it, you know. But when me
What's that one? Yeah.
And
But man, you talk to me, you talk, brother.
my youth, you don't know, say man, them bust shot off of me, youth. Me have to jump fence.
Them who? You ain't gonna say them, who?
Brother, who want we in an argument right now?
Who want me? Me and nobody in an argument. Me and nobody in an
Brother,
argument.
you see Rasta boy, me tell you say...
You keep on put yourself in a problem, brother. And I try drag man in there, come on and rate brother. I'm not gonna make man style everybody and money me they pray, dog.
Bad
Right
man.
now, move for them move them busy. You come to me, them a foolish. How come I do? What me for do now? Where want me do now? Talk to me now. Where want me do now?
Bad man.
Take up things and go do man thing now. And if you sit down in jail, sit down in prison. That may tell me if you watch a teen, brother, because come like something right, you know. What go on? Why you arrest them have?
Bad man.
Because from a machete to gun.
Bad man. Remember say, you
You
know.
get shot, you get shot.
You know, bad man, me have to jump.
You get grace.
Come like you know, you come like me a chatter, you know, meds when me a chat say.
So how long now that time? How long now that go on?
About 2 days, 3 days ago, dog.
2 or 3 days now.
2 or 3 days ago, bad man.
Yeah, this I can't link me, dog.
No, I mean just come out, come like I drip that. I put drip in me in my hand, my friend. Bad man, actually even know me have yo, I haul out that I'm dash that bad man have to jump through all the fence them and sit over here.
Yeah, right now me have to pray
Brother.
to that car.
Brother, yeah
Brother.
man. Yeah man about pray. Them all will tell me about investigate. Them have to go investigate what happened because a gunshot bust and one bag of something.
Who they go investigate? Who?
No, that the doctor people ever tell me say
It's the same thing I'm telling about brother. Say man like a hundred, brother. Say man like a hundred go make brother come like
Bad man.
go on the fire for one pour in a youth. Make you say try make come on in a problem. Brother, me tell you, have I the man them brother. So you tell me say funny last time. Why any man have the funny last time we go talk to him? I say yes, say man come and tell my shit in a brother. I'm gonna resolve that thing. So I tell you say man things after that dog. Judge you.
So the day I hear where I say about what you say I do.
What me say?
Yeah, we are different the thing or what? Adapt
Brother,
me come
brother,
here.
brother,
Listen
brother,
man, adapt me
brother,
come here.
I want
If
to
you are
help you, but me
doing
can't help you. But I want to help you, but me can't help you.
you don't want to
Come
help
share,
me.
say you come like it's a man you're in a quicksand. And for me to help you right now, you come like go and pull on myself to that day. I come like you have sense, you know. You know?
Nah man, that's not man free man.
Come
Just
like you know.
do what they do before me even reach you. They forget to me even they can check you.
So this man here happened, it didn't happen a while ago. Tell about it, you know.
Yo, Nick. Nick!
How that?
I mean, man.
Oh, can't take no chat and you know.
Bring it to check what you talking about. Eh?
So you don't know.
No what? Talk to me, brother, and tell me foolish about what you know.
You don't know.
How you go?
I'm not even know if it's starting. Bag of thing do. Right now, I dig me just to go dig up here something. Dig up here. Right now, the place get back hot, you know.
Talk to me, because right now I'm confused. Yeah, talk when I don't really understand what I'm going.
Yo, you see, you said thing we put on, we have to go take it back. Right now, bag of thing going up at this evening.
Tell me where you really are talking about, brother. Come in and understand, like right now I'm confused.
Oh, you have to confused.
Eh?
Remember you forward up here now, I said something to me now.
Yeah.
Alright now, pertaining to that. A peer reaction me I see. It's like they want me have to plug up back my brain. Cause me a pre-consciousness. Me not pre no vibe. Me not pre war. Oi, me could have swear. Me sure some see shot fly over my head. I saw me have to duck.
But brother, you still not talk clear, come and understand what you say.
Whoa, where? What happened? Me not even know. You can't link me. Me think I hear you here what go on make you link me right now, you know.
It's a regular check, routine check, bro. But yo, so reason me, I know what how we are, man.
Take a sip, what?
So this is something serious, brother. I'm money me come to talk to you about now, yes, me forward rate it. I'm money me come to talk about. Come on, have to know about everything I shoot. Come reason with bad dog up the road there, you know. And I said to me, say, boy, I can invest more money. So right now, me I think, say, boy, is a great link in a community.
That have to go past. Business not chaos right now. We don't want to lose no money. Watch out. Here I go. You remember that youth that we sir, you paid you?
Yeah.
And something.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
At a bulby.
Yeah, man.
One thing, remember that?
Yeah, man. Me see a pay. Me not even know.
So him comes. Talk words, brother. Cause right now I'm confused. I'm still confused. Why am I come check it? That's the first thing. Why am I come sit down here?
Alright, watch out.
Yeah, boy, when I show people.
Watch out.
You've done with certain things, brother. Somebody understand what you have to say right now.
Yeah, man. So watch out. I'm timid, you know. But I'm kind of shocked. I didn't expect you, I swear. I didn't expect. I could have dead. Me could have dead. And that's why I pre say, yo, alright, watch out. The man forward up here. But you like, me a pre peace. Me a pre say, alright.
A reason.
How we, again, me a pre say, I run where I work. I mean, I don't know chat you did too. But the man come up on a meds like a come to kill me.
Jesus Christ.
I wonder what you both ever do. Serious.
This a boy did nothing. Do nothing.
Are you and a girl up there? A girl up there when you see her sister. You sure see her sister?
Yeah, sister, but me not knock. Me have my little thing. We don't ease off a certain things. You know, man and man, we try.
You say you're a girl, man.
Yeah, we try to think. No,
you don't have to tell me no.
I mean, I reach to no level. No, you know, no counseling, no go on, no nothing, because she don't take no shot. So me just ease off and back off.
I feel like you're a whole out for me, because when I see them play, it's like me and I feel pre you and that style too. Because me I say, oh, we in a war, and me never know. Me never know, you see, me know, if me know him dead. Me say, if me didn't know, me never know. And that.
Alright, you what we're gonna do? We're gonna organize everything. Go and hold your drink, lock your shop, and make us call it a day.
See? Nah, lock no shop, I him, me I wait for him tonight, man. He must come back. I don't know, me think I even me say, yo, I don't know, say I'm 50 dollars, I just say, I do, I have a freestyle, yo. Pick up yourself, man. But me a show them, man. See, me there, man, me there. There.
Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business.
Sham.
Feed me belly, pies and
Serve.
Hold on there, man.
Money come fast, but freedom.
Where are they?
I'm if you ask that, I wanna come back in town.
We'll come back in town. Anyways,
I might spot this.
No, see, I hear spot, but I never know see how you there.
Well, I might spot some
Shall
other
we
here
bartender there?
sometime. A week off. I know.
You get a special now. Fever me drink.
You're not up drink fever now.
You look good though.
Thanks.
See, I move back in that place now.
What?
Yeah, I move back in that place now.
What that have to do with you? You come here to question me for?
What that have to do with me? I ain't really you me come to see what me see. If a bag of thing more access I can just run off say that go, you know what I talk about.
Me know what you talk about.
Me they are good, me just run off so. You see, it's true, the uptown and see some little things, you know, like you get to your brain, you know. But when I'm that, I come about still. You know. What may I say though? And I write something for me to you know. For your cousin. You want to go with him?
Wagwan. Wagwan. Highlight me.
You hear nothing? You hear nothing?
No.
So how long you there now?
About a week now. You want more boom?
So. Yeah, man, come on, boom. What may I say though? So you alone move down here? You alone move come back down here?
Yes, I'm here alone.
So you say that means you're not a man down here now? Alright?
Where would you question for? Especially about man in a business if no one have man that's not your business.
Well that's not true because I'm a man, that's all.
TSC if you want
Why?
more.
That sound right. I don't like a talk there. I don't depend that thing, mama. I don't like a talk there, no.
You know what's wrong with you? What kind of talk?
Depends if I talk them, man. Like a country there now and a town there again. I know.
Alright, what you really want? What your problem?
The most you really want, girl, you can understand. And Spanish when you talk. You say that's if your cousin friend fall back in that place.
Friend, you come here and ask me about cousin. What about my cousin?
I'm sure you stand, see him. I must say, I know say there right now, see me? Such a now. The bartender when there now, me really forward yes so now. Fit make a lot of complaint with the bartender if get to you. That's why I see a while ago, man. Tell I say, alright, somebody for me say. Because be a thing, see your cousin go on with him.
When do?
Your cousin don't even shoot off a man, you know. Your cousin don't even like them a try to plan up. And you know, some means you to love peace. And you know, boy, we step on all film too and I tell them all sorry. Just to keep it peace.
Hold
But
on.
when it come to my money, when it come to my butter, my bread, I don't run no joke. And I mash them and I try to mash up my business right now. You understand?
My cousin.
The Rasta boy in your cousin? The black Rasta boy?
Yeah, me and him are two first cousin. Me
Yeah,
not believe that.
you don't believe
Me not
that.
believe that. You see, I'm telling you this. April Fool's Day gone long time. So nobody come here so with your
I don't
foolishness.
say no April Fool's, man.
My cousin now do them the something
No,
there.
I feel my cousin.
My cousin now do them the something. So how me not hear about that? How me not hear about it?
Just 4 days here there for. But see, a girl really gone away no mama. Although I don't know if I change still, I know a girl is normally lacking paying black and all the militancy, you know. I don't know if I change still, but I tell her this now. I don't even want to tell us if I go talk to him, because boy, I'm talking that much work right now. Yes, that man they shoot off a bulby. I must say first before you shoot off a bulby, you know. You run down bulby with machete a couple of days before, you know. I'm link him, you know. And man come like he want to use mind game for me, you know. And now, a big war they want to start a police investigation. Me they hear about one fortnight place. And if police fortnight place, if business can't go on, you know. Everything go slow up, you know. And you tell me say that the man they start heavy wallet right now him start. Two of me here come here from good source. I want to understand my child.
Here second go court, my friend.
We have evidence too. We have evidence too.
Alright, here what? You see, because today I'm a customer, I'm not going to run you out of my bar. Because that would be very disrespectful. But you see, you lie where you come and tell pa my cousin, just hurry up and drink your liquor and pay me and go on your merrily way, please.
You see the thing I know, that my child sometimes now is like, you see that's a little bit of understanding they go far away, you know. Catch you know. Me forward also, if you try to regulate that thing. If you try, do so, and you go to tell me, say I lie, me I tell. Remember, you know, mama, you know, there, so, you know, you don't know what they're going on, so, you know. Your cousin shoot off a man, chop up man, you know, you didn't even hear about that since you come here. I make something. You did hear say run down board with machete? You You hear about that since I come here?
A first news to me.
Oh, so how you go tell me say no a lie me they tell farmer? You don't know a man down here they do.
So why are you a first
And I
person
go
here?
disrespect people now and that kind of style how you go run me out of bar and they starting already. Me tell a country then and when I wish I tell the run we gone. I just see the back now. And a different thing, brother. This man can mash up the business. Remember, you know, Chad Chemley want to spell out something here right now. You know. I'm try to show you a pray. You didn't have to tell a man say, no man say nothing to you, brother. Just use a style in your brain, brother, and just read. You don't have to say if you don't send back nothing to me, you don't have to send back nothing to me, you know. Because you come like you feel like a lie, me I tell you. You can just use your brain and find out from him. And you see it's not a lie.
Alright, let's say 40 me talk to him.
If you catch him, brother, and didn't know. Maybe you alone go can save him. So you have to know what you would ever do. Tell her that.
Me give him a talk still.
But then really that me come boy still me. I say well that me come but still no but.
Make up your mind.
Me have a different thing for my brain and now still you know. Cause you know. Me know say no man down here no man. Right now me know say right now with that cold you know. You know. Believe I mean I know woman need you know. A month me single right now you know. You know.
Listen me
I'm been a wait for your teen girl cause when I tell me I would just stop talk. So like me have something. Just run off. And I say we never try style of thing, you know. Cause we never talk nothing about you know, we never you know what it is. And we hold everything same, you know. You know what I mean?
You're right, you know.
You know.
We don't know older than you. So some things just better left unsaid. Simple. And let me tell you this, I come here so now. I can't talk about if me have man and I tell me say you single. That have nothing to do with me, you know.
What you mean?
Straight up me and tell you because you see.
1 + 1 = 2.
Listen what me I say.
What you know, man?
Listen what me I say. And listen to me good.
Yeah.
They say all fire stick easy for catch. But you see this a fire stick here? You have no catch back. None whatsoever.
So make it sound so. Make it sound like me do something like me hurt you. Or something.
Me just outgrow you, you don't understand that?
Outgrow me?
Yes.
No, because you got at a distance. I say outer sight, outer mind, you know. Such a no. I say me inner sight, you know, so my back in the mind and from me in the mind, you know, say, oh, you know, man.
Listen, me say, I want something to drink. Buy me something. Cause you come here so with your one bag of chatting and I know how you turn, you know. You we all there so sit down and chat. Drink this and I'll walk out and pay me. So come, one rum cream.
So like when there so they say you outgrow me, and if you say me outgrow some style. And I tell you say a different thing from your left down so now. You hear about the one ISIS boss, one a different thing right now, man.
A leopard never change its skin.
Yeah, I tell you, I wasn't a leopard for a morning.
Yeah, did one.
It was a eagle. You know,
yeah,
flying high in the sky. You know, but you make someone love. Me I feel like on a level still no joke. You know?
Negative.
I know we are holding down same way.
Negative.
But that time and patience like a bakery, you know. You can never stop a man from trying. Yeah. So I believe go rough, believe go say nothing still. Cause I go there go on with advice. Cause I'm not ready for left yet. Then go and drink room and I know boombox there. Turn a little music man, go on with a little vibes. Yeah man, I can go and drink your thing man, I can drink it man like a ice. Cause I'm not going nowhere. Alright?
She's like the big bad wolf, no reasoning ability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell have no fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, war is on.
No come cousin me. I mean when you touch me either.
What?
What one?
Let me say what one.
I'm in no mood right now, to be honest.
Tell me say a joke, yeah.
Me
Just
look
see
like
how
me a
long
joke.
and I in a mood, what kind of vibes that? How town life. Where you put on like a weight, God and something there, you live up the dream. No, sir, this
So
is
what
serious.
one?
Are you have to tell me, you call me. Where you coming for now?
Right now, me not even, it's like me speechless. Because some things I may hear, me just pray to God in a go so.
Like what you here?
What going since of late in your life?
So
Like, what's new?
Regular business.
Alright, you know what? Me I just come to you straight. Me not beat around no bush. And see, just like how me I come to you straight, as someone when you come to me straight.
Talk to me.
You understand? No hide nothing from me, come to me straight. Because the fact when me have to hear things from other people and not you is like you cannot trust me enough to tell me certain things.
Hey, stop the foolishness, man. Yo, me can't bother with this run around business where you do right now. Eh? Me can't take a family business, kind of war business, you know. Our auntie good.
You know, you come here and raise your voice.
Me not raise my voice, Mr. Talk. You know one way if you understand me, I say and hear me, I say to you. It's not nothing different from talk to me, man, and stop. You just stop drag out things or suspense of your thing, man. See,
alright, let me come to your street.
No, do that,
let
man,
me just talk and done.
Yeah.
When me I get to understand, when me get to hear, I'm here from good source. So you run down man with machete.
Hey.
Yeah, shoot off a man and then sitting there. Listen to me.
What mean run down man with machete and shoot? I be a mix up that.
A serious allegations, them, you know?
Of course, the allegations against me, towards me. Who come tell them fools she's the cousin?
Me no need to tell you.
You need to tell me, because if you don't tell me, it make no sense to talk to me now about this. You tell me half a story. Half and then left you after what? What happened? Because it seems like Nika tell me about some rubbish, you know, and me I wonder if I really true. I can't true. I must some
April
first prank.
Look for me.
Yeah, me look for you good. Me ain't a lock.
All these allegations when me get when me hear, you know, go so.
Go so where? Alright, I'll be very honest with you and tell you what really are going. You see one girl one name, your girl, feel long time friend that live down the road there. See? I go down there going like me don't know her and rate it is a pretend car, you know a man still, long and short. So me I give her a little talk and I talk to her and she make it seems like the boy, I'm weird for even come down there. So I follow down there. I have a little thing for chop out from me heart for true. So I say, boy, let me them mash it. That's all I say. No, I don't know if I the same little slim youth that talk all kind of rubbish and place because him still vexed about him father and rate it. So I don't know why this a twist round like me, I run him down and mash it. That never really said to your girl. You know what I'm gonna do? Yo, no light mix up with the man. You know what I'm gonna do? As I said before, I'm gonna solve the problem. But who come to you? Don't hold it back me and family. What you do?
So even me tell you who come to me.
You go start solve the problem.
How it will solve the problem?
Because
what you do?
We're gonna fix it. That me gonna fix it. Tell me what I go on.
The person come to me in a confident.
You see as a person. How this makes sense now? With the attack, and you know, tell me the straight up truth how I go on. Talk to me because Kingston turning an idiot. Eh? Lifestyle change what?
No, Kingston mold me in a one way if you don't call back people name. A little birdie pinch me and tell me something. I don't have to tell you who. I just want to know.
No.
Who?
Everything.
Who?
All the phone I drop to them come like a sadness for me. Eh? Sadness.
Can't believe it's my favorite cousin. Eh? My favorite cousin. I run down man with machete.
Imagine.
Make sure you have your money, you know. Because I don't trust you nothing.
Me? You see, say you forget how me be. Eh? You see, you forget who me be. Yeah, keep me down. And put ice in it too.
So you say pray now?
A simple things, man. Simple conversation.
Oh, go on.
You watch where I step, because I'm going to step on and bees eye.
Sure, go on, man.
Alright, so I'll be a mix up of one, brother. I'm just a mix up, I like what I'm going.
No, we don't blend down anything. That's what I say, you know.
Because I need my card up on some level where I don't really feel comfortable certain ways. So I don't understand what I'm going. So tell me what I'm going now. Tell me to my face what I'm going.
What you mean? What I'm going? What you mean what I'm going?
Alright. Since you pretend like you don't know what I'm going, may I say? For your brethren, Bulby. What me hear say me do to him?
We hear say him?
Yeah.
You don't know what you do to him.
Yo, let me tell you this. You don't know what I'm going?
Brother, your father so come on my farm. I tend to my thing them. Come on, get my thing ready for push out. Cause last business what you do, you get mash up cause one bag of, as I said, mix up and blend the business. So where you say I go and if you talk to me, you come like you something up on your mind. What up on your mind?
So you have to say you're not involved in a situation what
What situation? Bad man.
Eh?
Man, bad man, I know where you talk about.
So you the on Bulby side or you just what? Me don't know. Talk to me, man.
Watch
I want to know what going. Because tell me come to clear up things, you know.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Me and a million, I say me two sides. Watch out. This one I right, this one I left. And me there, you know me how you come and see. Brother, me know daddy, me know involved in anything, you know. Brother, me know where you talk about, you know. You understand? Because you just did you confuse my brain right now. Come like you come to mix up for my brain. You know see it? Come there, I hold my peace and my farm and feel real merry, you know. And you follow this thing, brother, like here, try disrupt my energy, brother.
Alright, so why you go to my cousin and tell her certain things then when my cousin call me?
Which cousin?
Yo, me say Bulby and shut off of my brain.
Man,
so,
brother,
yo, listen me I say.
Brother.
Yo, Nick!
Brother, get your facts
Yo,
straight.
hear me I say. You
Get
see
your
this
facts
thing?
straight, brother.
You have to go fix it right now, cause me's a boy in the streets, my thing different, you know. You answer me I say? Yo, bad dog.
What you comment about that?
I know what my comments about. A business,
So,
but at the end of the day, you don't know a thing go. I am do business, but guess what now? We have cut the business from right now. Bad dog.
So what going on, sir?
Right now.
What going on, sir?
Let me see what going on.
What for your boy?
What going on, sir,
Shut
brother?
off for the man and then something. Yo, I feel day today, you know.
What?
What you mean, say what?
What you mean?
Yeah, but you can't get you.
You have to catch you in short.
Brother, dog, daddy, I them a thing on the daily. Dog, me no fool, no, brother. Daddy, hear me, sir, see? Hear me, sir, brother, watch out, hear me, sir, bad man. Brother, me dip on, brother, watch out, hear me, sir, watch out, a ball you know, watch out, man, a ball you know, no ball you say one, brother, some man, daddy, no ball you want. No ball you say, watch out, me can't call him for you, brother, me call him, man, no ball you say no one, brother, ball you know one, brother, me can't say I come give you, brother, me can't come give you, catch me, you go and see. If you have, it's ready, you'll get it, brother. I don't deal it again, brother. Brother, brother, man, brother, I get him, man, brother.
Really and truly, a ball be a problem.
Some man,
Yo,
brother.
You know, me just want
Brother, come like a violation of plant, bad man.
Yo, call me and make sure say, yo, we shouting about it. Forward.
You make your man get away.
No, you know, really and truly, a ball be one. Because I think it's a rough to throw. You answer me, I say?
Yo, but now I link with you a minute. You a long time, I we just kill him.
No, man, we can't. No, man. Hear what? Business is business still. You understand me? I say? Just want to start out, we start out. When we're done with Bulby, then we might can go back for him. Because him a coward, you realize that? Eh? Forward, man. Forward.
Marika! What if she the one though? Marika!
Oi, how that?
Come here, man. Look how long me run here and call you. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright now.
Alright, me come to talk to you because I can't talk to you on phone. My phone don't go work. You know, say earlier, me there at my bar and God, me don't know how to say this. You know me cousin Rasta cousin from down the road.
I think me have an idea how you talk.
Anyways.
Yeah, my family?
I'm a cousin. We are two first cousins. You never know that?
Consider.
We are two first cousins, but we were like friends, you know what I mean? We're very close. Well, some of the think. They had me bar earlier. ISIS come to me and make me know. I tell me all sort of things, boy, lightning, this and that, he want me back and all kind of stuff. And me think said that they gone under the bridge. Put long story short, he might tell me, say, my cousin are the one we shoot off of him.
I don't understand what you say. You say my cousin are the one who shoot off of who? I don't understand it. It's like you're all over the place.
Bulby. Bulby?
Which Bulby? My brother Bulby?
Your brother Bulby.
Who shoot off? ISIS shoot off him because I know say my ISIS a friend, you know.
My cousin, I run him down with machete.
Your cousin. Did you know that your family them, like film side of family, because I never know say you're my family, you know. You didn't know say film side of family and them unalive my father. So you see no me know say you and that the man their family. Me and you can't be friends, you know. Because me don't cut them off.
Yeah.
Even though I go to church and I clean, you know, I put certain things behind me, you know. Even though the Bible says forgive, but guess what? You can't forget. You understand what I say? So you see, this is a friendship where we have to go cut off because your family always after my family. I don't know why. Me feel so that they cool down and go on one side. How comes this start up back again?
Marika, whatever my cousin do, if he do it for true, because me not have no proof. You understand what I say? And here say can't go court, that's what me sure of. But Marika, a friendship with me and you have, you can't make sake of what my cousin do or my family define me and your friendship. I know me do nothing.
You know, do nothing, you know. But all on our family, so it's same blood flowing all on the body. Your DNA can't change. So you might feel so you don't have that the part of you in a like what them do you feel like say you are not a part of it, yes you're a part of it. No matter what you take it.
Marika, deep down in your heart, me know you don't want to cut off me and your friendship. Right? You're a Christian, Marika. Not only a church goer, but a Christian. You get what I say? Leave all vengeance to God. Me sure they teach you that at church.
You know, yeah, they teach me that at church, you know. But remember, say Jesus did a walk with 12 disciples, you know. And all one leave back with him, you know. Remember that?
Mm-hmm. So when you
so when me I try to say, and every brother and sister, and every friend a friend, and that me I try to say.
Right.
But listen to me. you know, a thing when me hate with people, which me not supposed to say hate. Me and my brother I always somebody me have left back right now. Me not have nobody. My family then gone because of fighting with other people's family. And for me and you be friends, Tia, it not go work out because me go to feel hurt and me go know say your family do certain things to my family. Remember right now if me it come like you know want me mad in this. It come like you know want me dead. Me I serve God and it feel and just make me feel like sometimes I want to go out in the world. Which me not supposed to think them way there. But it girl, remember saying you know, me go through a lot, you know. Me go to jail for friend, you know. Me think you go left me at one point. When me feel say you didn't have me back, you go left me and leave me with Kiki. And Kiki left me. Kiki send me go to jail, me take fault for Kiki for something when me not know about.
America, me explain this to you already. It's not like me did want to just get up and leave. It's just that me did have to. You get what me say? Me try to reach out to you on many occasions, and what happen? Me can't get you. You change your number without me even know say you change your number. So you can't blame me, Marika. Me go town for a better life.
You go town for a better life. My phone mash up. Years now, me not have phone. Years now, me not even one good slippers, one good. If you this me and your friend, since I get big, you even could have come down here one time to come search for me. You say me and your friend, but you did not. I know you come and tell me about your family this and your family that, and you're not a part of it, you're a part of it.
Marika, how am I a part of it when me never know nothing? And this morning, me I get to understand, say, my cousin do and do. I'm still not sure because me not have no proof.
Well, find out the proof and let me know.
So, Marika, you tell me, say, if friendship just done between me and yourself, just like that?
You know, the thing is, all the friend me have right now are God. Me not have no other friend. Me can't trust nobody. Nobody at all. You see, every time me try, there is always a disappointment.
So,
And
Marika,
that
you
show me say me
sure
not
this
have
is what
friend.
you want to do, Marika?
Me not have no choice. Because right now, from my brother come at the hospital, me not see my brother, you know, because he's so busy. Me not even know when there right now. Right now, me need to talk to my brother and me can't talk to him. Because me just feel certain type of way from what day.
All me do, me come check you. If tell you what me hear. Me I try to get to the bottom of it so we can sort out what need to be sorted out and just move on with your life. You understand what I say?
Alright. How you get to the bottom of this? You're investigator? You're police?
Marika, me not have to be police to investigate. You get what I say? Me hear something, me could have just make it stay now. Me come to you,
better make it stay.
Better me never come here so try to. It's like me do I want wrong something. Me don't know. Me don't
wrong
know.
thing you do. You better keep it to yourself. You not understand my point, you know. I want you to understand, say. It's hard for me to trust people again. Me trust you one time and the whole lot no feel me.
So basically
when me try to say me not trust you, and me not keep you as a friend.
So you project my family, right? Whatever my family do, that you try to project on me, Marika?
Me not project that upon you only, Tia. Me a project so you did gone left me when me did need you. Me a project that too. So it's not only about a family. Me assure you say, me always I get fight from everybody who around me.
So me leaving to go for better myself, Marika. When me can see me myself,
you know what?
You.
Me remember one night time me did call you, you know, and me tell her say me a take it fault for Kiki, you know. Even though you tell me say no, don't take it fault for Kiki, you know. You see one could have come and court when time court did a go on and step in for me, you know, but guess what? You did not. You did not. So see me, oh Kiki turn her back on me, you turn her back on me.
Me not understand family, me not understand friend. And mommy, you don't know what people are go through, but because you are go through your thing, you feel like say, at the moment you are go through your thing, me did it feel. Me did it feel as a friend.
As a friend how? As a friend we're gone, far. So you did that for me? Oh boy. No just, I don't know if it's because I can't say certain words.
It's okay, Martha. It's okay.
It's always okay.
You see that at the end of it, you're going to realize, say, me is your only true friend. But you're going to find out when it's too late. You get what I say? But you know what? Everything good. Me only left your yard and just let you be.
God bless you. God go with you.
Yeah, man. God bless you too.
He always bless me. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy
Bobby. Bobby.
What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem?
You need to calm down yourself.
Calm down.
You just come from out of hospital. Me not even see you. For you come, you just come and go back, come and go back. You need to stop this way you do.
Stop what?
And all the
Sweet,
time
stop
you
something with them start.
But me
Stop
know
something
say
with
them
them start.
started. But you, me your own sister. You have to understand
right now,
something that
man.
you feel. Remember, so you can't do this to me.
So, wait there, they shoot her for me. I'm going with one bag of antiques. I'm if you just take it so. So me what? Me know somebody too. Same way how them retaliate for what me say out of my mouth. Take gun off for me. I'm run. Look out for me.
Listen to me, me your sister, me your little sister. You have to think about me, you know, what if something happened to you? What if something wrong with your baby? What me gonna do? What gonna happen to me? You have to think about me too.
Brother, right now you not tell me nothing will make sense
right
now, you know,
this right? What you do. You know so you can't lean back wrong to me. If they can't get you, baby, they won't come for me. If this go out of hand.
Before go to hand. Right now, me I go kill every one of them, so no out of
hand now. You're not sure what go happen when you go and where you go.
Where you tell me, say? Me not sure when me go to we not sure about it. What not did I for sure about? What not did I for sure about?
You have to be careful. Come and pray for you.
Yo, you can't tell me about pray, like.
God will guide you through and protect your baby.
Guide and protect.
Just drop all of this and
guide
forgive.
And
even though they say forgive, but don't forget.
Drop and forgive. So boy, if you violate and get way, so me an idiot. Oh, I'm an idiot. I want to man.
Me not, baby.
Wait, tell me say, so me not have my rights too. I them alone have rights.
Everybody have rights.
So that's if you allow me alone and make me go do what me I do and forward back.
I'm not allow you to go do that because it can cause chaos.
Sometimes you lucky say I'm my sister to you, you
listen, you want what happened to your parents, them happen to we.
Brother.
Remember say I say foolish drag one. Remember say our people house but we did that for island for how much days. I bear hunger and then look sitting there.
You see what happened to my father? Happened to my father. He passed already. You see, same thing what happened to my father might happen to me if me don't do something about it. No!
Just,
what you tell me, say?
Just stay cool for a while.
Stay cool.
Stay low.
Stay low. Where you talk, say? You walk come out of your mouth. Yo, look out for me, I light up my gun.
Bulby, me not let it go, no.
You tell me about bulby,
you're turning our yard today, because you're not going
make sense,
no
let me go, you know, you.
Me not
right
go
now,
on
you
the
see,
road.
anger with me, you know, right now. You know, make sense, you hold on for me, you know, because me take your part,
kill me
you
today.
know. Me not do that. But
kill me today. Because obviously that it won't happen. What if something wrong with me? How you are going to feel? They go say if me didn't know, me just left it like what my sister say.
So what you all, what make you forward to me with them a type of argument, you know? If
because me have to put myself in the field.
You tell me about put self. Listen, no, man. So wait them. So why when they go shoot off of me and then put yourself in the field?
Me never know. So, remember me they wake up one day and say to yourself, Bulby, me dream says you are running on me no know what you make. So we just say, me dream them a bad mouth.
They know that you look
me
like.
Dream a bad mouth.
They know that. I'm tell you about it, you know, say you shouldn't keep your business to yourself in your country, about your business and come put a spell for me, you know.
So spell?
Then I have a spell.
Alright, then make it spell stay. Because just so you can today, you're not going anywhere. Come up here. Father God, cover him in your blood, Jesus. God, come up here so we pray for you and talk more. God not like confusion, you know.
God not like confusion.
Relax, man.
Let me go. Let me go now. Let me go now. Let me go now, man.
Alright, sit down.
Yeah, pray. I know that if you pray for. If you pray for me, God no stick. Watch you know. Them boy they get it today, you know. That me I tell you, I'm in a business where you want pray for, who you want pray for, you know. But watch you know, just pray for me, God no stick. That's all for me.
Father God, cover him under your blood, Jesus. God, and protect him. No make nothing do him. God, I don't know what me I gotta do, because this out of me and you know, me don't know what to do now. But the one, Lord God.
Listen, me dey give you all the time to talk, when me talk. You see with everything we are going, and I like me believe, you know, but me no know, something just not feel right. You understand what I say? Me I try to give you the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, me I try to give you benefit of the doubt. Me believe and me not believe. Like me the in between, right in the middle me there right now. You get what me I say? Cause listen what me I say no man. ISIS tell me one thing, right? Cause you see when the man attack, the man sound confident in a way he must say. And that me I make you know. And me no know if them man there's no liar, you know. Anyways, listen what me I say now. America yard me just a come from. You understand what me I say? And right now she tell me say she want cut off a friendship with me and her. Just because of we family. You understand? Me say if me say sometimes I can't manage family, me I tell you, because you know my biggest downfall. Look how far me America come from, and sake you. And we family right now, the girl cut off a friendship. Me feel so bad, me I tell you. So bad. Me I try to mend things and try to see what can go on, and instead of that happen, it'll get worse. This is what I say. Come check me down on my bar later. Check me back on my bar. Cause me tell you earlier, you know, me say looking at me eye and tell me the truth. For some reason, me no feel like I truth to tell me, you know. Me no feel like I truth to tell me. Y'all a run down man with machete. Eh? Me never know say come to this. Me never know say come to this. Me a listen. Hear what me I say, just check me, because this too much for me right now. Too much for me. The only friend we me have, you understand? Because of you and your family, because I could have never my family. Because of you and your family, a girl cut me off. Like she just sweep me under the carpet like that. Because of Uno. And only God he knows how me take Marika as my friend. More than a friend too, like a sister. And because of foolishness, right now me and the girl friendship break off. Listen, me need to see you in person. Me can't take a talking on phone right now. Just go and check me boy next hour. Alright.
This is a combo, tell you. Yeah, all for your one. I say all for your one, man. You are shoot up for yours. I say we are shoot up for your one. More for them.
brother.
Can't believe you.
Mama, me didn't want you, baby. Mama, me tell you if you just left me. Mama, didn't know so then they don't come for me, baby. Baby, this is my last message to you. Please serve God.
God.
Please forgive. Please, me I beg you.
Sister! 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 Father, I really did some sign. Can't believe you. Jaja. Now look how you want me out. I'm gonna take it, tell it. What me I gonna do now, Father? What me I gonna do now?
Catch me now, this. Judge, I got you out. See what's going on now. Say, Uncle. Yeah. Your room did I tell me about last week. You ain't rent out yet. Right. What you know about rent out? I'm going to want you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to line up myself. I'm afford up. I can't be a thing I go down there and teach. I can't man I pray me for my things, you know. As the thing ready for go reap up in a man, I'll come in the bush till with gun for me and be sitting here. You know, such a now. I pray for pack up my thing, and just forward up. So I must say ever tell me say, you know, we can always start again, alright? From we have life. Right now I run me into my short tablet that car. I look at one place and I take up some clothes and I move my pray for move go one place till like next week, you know? Yeah. But watch out, wait, I get a call from my phone. Wait, I'm sold in cab account. Wait. Yeah. How you going on, my teacher?
Yo, you know hear what?
What that?
Oh, I know, so then just shut up for your bridging dog.
Who?
Your boy, man.
Brother, me not understand. Who you talk about me, dog?
You know who me at. Just shut him up. And watch out now. You have to do what you have to do, you know. Because me a man, me just deliver. You see me, I just deliver.
Check you. Ah, no chatty. Big up yourself. Hear that, cuz? Check you. Check you. Such a no. You may say no. Out there. Yeah, my man so going now. Yeah, yeah, man, me afford today. Me afford right now. Yeah, so you know, just clean out the place. Me afford right now. Me dey on my way, my boss. Here.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet? Mama, me tell you if you just left me. Mama, didn't know so then they don't come for me, baby. Baby, just please. Baby, just please put on your darkness. Baby, listen. Me I go always. Baby, I told her. I tell her so they won't come for me, baby, but you never listen. I tell her say, don't go for them, baby. Baby, this is my last message to you. Please serve God. Please forgive. Please, me I beg you. I'm going to always watch over you.
Sister!
you come and say about that?
I don't want to come about. A business,
So-
but at the end of the day, you don't know a thing go. I am the business, but guess what now? We have cut the business from right as right now. Bad dog.
So what go on, sir?
Right now.
What go on,
Let
sir?
me see what go on.
What for your boy?
What go on, sir,
Shout
brother?
out for the man and then something there. Yo, I feel day today, you know.
What?
What you mean say what?
What you mean?
Yeah, but can't get you.
You have to catch in shot.
Brother, dog, we should daddy, I them a thing on the daily. Dog, me no fool, no brother. Daddy, you me say, see?
yeah.
You me say, brother. Watch out, you me say, no bad man. Me no do nothing, brother.
Where you say, man?
Me know what you talk about.
Me they are good, me just run now, so. Yeah, say you should change the uptown and say some little things, you know, like you get to your brain, you know. But when I'm like, I come board still, you know. What me say though? And I write so much for me city, you know, for your cousin. Yeah, you want to go out with him?
Wagwan. Wagwan.
No,
Highlight
you
me.
hear nothing? You know hear nothing?
No.
So how long you there now?
About a week now. You want more boom?
So. Yeah, man, come on, boom. What me say though? So you alone move down, you alone move come back down, yeah?
Yes, I'm here alone.
So you say that means you're not a man down here now. Alright?
Why would you a question for? Especially about man. In a business, if you want to have man, that's none of your business.
Well, that's not true, because I'm a man, that's all.
TSC if you want
Why?
more.
That's all right. I don't like attack then.
Action.
No, yeah, wait, listen. We shoot him 3 different times, you know?
This is my person. When I say they're going to do no work, just make sure see you kill it until the person stop breathing on the ground.
Alright, boss. But me swear to Almighty God himself, say, yo, the man you will just go send me go kill, deal with him, man. Wicked, man.
Alright, me just want
Me shoot him in the leg and me shoot him in the back. And you know, some most time when leg shot
So
reach.
you ain't steady until he stop breathing? Alright, that sound like
Na 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 na. Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the same one. Mash we hope. How long we a go run? How much more blood for spill? Is it love or fear keep we close? Or hunger we break we will? Protect the youth them, keep them far from the flame. Cause the business we build the house can burn the whole family name. Scamming business, He's a blessing and a curse, scamming business. From the cradle to the earth, if we don't change the story now, history repeat again. See him jail, see him tears, see him pain, see him scamming business.